Clintons apparently have plenty of money to pay those bills, with news late yesterday that former President Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton reported that they earned more than $30 million since January of last year, more than $25 million of that coming from speaking fees. NBC News White House correspondent Kristen Welker has gone through all of the documents the Clintons filed with the Federal Election Commission. She joins us live. So, Kristen, I did a double take when I saw this. $30 million's big, but then this is just in about a year and a half.
That's right. I think a lot of people did a double take, Steve. Hillary Clinton releasing her financial disclosure forms on Friday. As you point out, they show that she and former President Bill Clinton raked in close to $25 million for delivering about 100 paid speeches since January of 2014, a lot of them to banks, big corporations. Hillary Clinton also earned, Steve, about $5 million in royalties from her book, Hard Choices. The disclosures put Clinton in the top 1% of income earners. Now, that could complicate her message. She has argued that she's a champion of the working and middle class. The Clintons have faced criticism, as you know, in the past for seeming out of touch. For example, you'll remember that it was just last year that Clinton said that she and her family were, quote, dead broke when they left the White House. And that's, of course, a claim that didn't really ring true for a lot of Americans. It's also worth noting that the flip side to this is that the Clintons reportedly paid an effective tax rate of about 30%. And they, of course, argue that wealthier Americans should pay more in taxes. Still, you can imagine the Republicans wasted no time lashing out. Late last night, in a statement, the chairman of the Republican National Committee, Reince Priebus, said, quote, the Clintons claim that staggering amounts of income from paid speaking fees that raise ethical questions and potential conflicts of interest is simply to pay our bills, shows how out of touch they've truly become. Now, the Clintons, of course, deny any ethical breaches. Hillary Clinton released the information in keeping with the rules of the Federal Election Commission. And, Steve, I can tell you, just looking ahead, she's going to be back on the road next week. She's going to make her second trip to Iowa since announcing her candidacy. She will make stops in Mason City and Cedar Falls, and you can anticipate that that message of being a champion for the middle class will certainly be on display there. Steve.